Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update to this file, where as per your given criteria, I have built a new ID, which is combining all the colors, letters, letter and colors, typo and etc, whatever it is. And then it is creating a unique ID for each. And here are the two formulas where you can see if the combination is there, Rojo, NY, Bianco, etc., Serada. So let's see if we take that if the combination again jumps in this maybe uh, and the sequence is same color letters color deleters and typo. So colors letters color deleters or typo. So I if I'll take this one which is 11. So currently you can see we don't have any number in the uh, in stock. So if I'll change this to this which is 11, so you will see 11 is there. So it will show okay, so the 11 is there, 10 is already in this actual stock. So the new number becomes 21, which is here. Similarly, if the number is already available in the other stock, which is 1, so you will see that one in here. Similarly, let me take this combination and let's see if this combination is already available in here or maybe in here. So now we have two more combinations and there should be two more values. Um, all right, so here you can see we have a 4 in here in the in stock, and if I'll take this one to be and maybe this one to be out stock or dispatched. So here you can see another 2. So the current stock is 1, new stock is 4 and 2 has been dispatched. So the 1 will become 5 with an addition of the in stock, and with the reduction of 2 it will become 3. So this is the formula in the green column. So these two columns were uh, the just to show you the demo that how it is working. So this is the main formula which is working, and we will remove these two columns. Now, let me make some changes in the uh, letters so that you can see it is working fine. Let me undo. Okay, so we have nothing in here. So I'll take this Rojo. I'll go to the engineers and maybe I'll enter it into this one. And let me call this within capital O. This maybe small ny, maybe small b, capital L, capital N, and capital O. So it's totally random now. Let's make this Rojo R small as well. So now this is totally random. Now let's see if this jumps into the stock. So you can see it is showing up 24, which is taking these number. So if I'll copy these one more time, let's change this to uh, maybe small e, small a, and that. And let me copy this to another 2, and let's make this variation. So now another 2 added, it should become 26. So you can see even though if there is a letter, a small letter or upper letter case are there, if the combination is available in the same sequence, color letter, and typo in the same columns, I have added extra columns in it. So it will show you this actual stock. So what it's showing that the current stock is 10, but with an addition of the in stock 26, it will become 36. So what we can do, we can, if you want to keep this in stock column in here, to add this 10, we can have another 2 columns associated option. So these are the combination which is available in the in stock, and this is available in the dispatch. And then based on these two, we can change this column. Or as if you want to keep this column manual, you can always have a latest column updated in here based on the in stock and dispatched. So this will be the updated column. But if you want to update this column by itself, so we will be having only 2 controls. So whatever the in stock is there, it will get minus from the dispatch and it will get the number. Otherwise, the third option is we can have a code which will work on the background. I can write that code for you. That will do the trick for you as well, and it will update all of these numbers as soon as there is a new stock or new dispatch you have available. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, let's get on a call so that I can explain everything better. So that's it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care.